Vision Pro return rates. Here's to why or if people are really returning Vision Pro. Mark Gurman's data indicates that Vision Pro return rates are likely somewhere between average and above average. The sphere of high-end headsets has begun observing controversies as people are reportedly returning Apple's Vision Pro headset after finding it buggy or overpriced. It's understandable that the mixed reality headset casts a substantial spell on your pocket as its price is $3,499, but the gadget, if really being returned, is not being returned for its high cost, as it's so far the greatest contender on the market. Mark Gurman's recent Power On newsletter abates the mounting toll of rumors and reports claiming this and that regarding the return rates and the reasons behind them, saying that he took the view of over a dozen well-known Apple users who recently returned their headsets for a refund. He said the users returned the gadget for reasons that are bringing slight backlash in the face of iPhone maker, including the bordered view ruining the immersion of the visuals. Some users found the headset to be too heavy and uncomfortable, while others were unsatisfied with the limited apps, video content, and productivity features. In a letter, it is mentioned that some users complained about the glare and narrow field of view, feeling disconnected from loved ones due to the lack of shared experiences and difficulty in allowing others to use it. However, despite these issues, it was noted that many people are satisfied with the Vision Pro and do not intend to return it. This includes the author, who mentioned using the headset to write an entire newsletter. According to data from sources at retail stores which Gurman obtained, it's certain that implies Vision Pro return rates are likely somewhere between average and above average compared with other products depending on the location. One senior Apple retail employee informed Apple Insider that the return rates for Vision Pro were similar to those of non-Pro iPhones. Another employee mentioned that they only had to handle 2 returns in a week. Interestingly, some Apple Store staff believe that the majority of returns were initiated by content creators, including those who experienced discomfort using the device and YouTubers who wanted to create videos with the device before returning it. Although Apple Insider's sampling gives an account of a small number of Apple stores, it's more reliable than the claims made on social media about Vision Pro returns.